Mr. Victor,
Yes, sir.
what do you do in your free time?
I do fit in a lot of activities. Like I
Activities.
play football and sometimes I go outside, hang out with my friends.
So, which time of the day do you enjoy most in winter?
A middle time, sir.
The middle time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This time, winter is a middle. Not so cool, not so
Okay.
What?
The middle of the season, you
Middle
mean?
of season, yes.
Okay. Now I'm talking about the day.
day.
Yeah.
Uh,
Do you enjoy the morning or the night or the afternoon? Which one?
at night, sir.
At night.
Yeah.
What do you do at night?
It is also go for with our friend and white new jacket.
Okay, with your jacket. Who named you?
My mother, sir.
Your mother.
Yeah.
What's your religion?
Religion is Islam, sir.
Islam. Okay, wow. That's a very unique name.
No, my name is Victor because I changed it. My name is Muhammad Rabi Hossein. It's full name, but they call me Victor.
Really? How does he know the word?
You know the Bangla words, Bijoy.
Okay, that is why he translated into English and named you
Not he
Victor.
translated, I translated.
Or you translated by yourself.
Yes, cause I can't Draga.
That means your name is not Victor, your name is Bijoy actually, and you converted it into. Come on. What's your favorite thing to do in winter?
At morning, playing football. I like it. In winter, wearing boots and go with.
Playing football?
Yeah.
I think
What?
playing badminton is most famous.
Now for me, I like football, sir.
Like football?
Yeah.
Are you good at football?
Yes, I go to football.
Is there any other game you like to play?
No, sir.
So, what do you do with your friends at night?
Right now, I'm a student. I'm Rahat English here.
Yeah.
That's why I'm study with them.
You study with them.
Before I come here, at night I go with my friends.
Did you make any new friends in Ransinglish here?
I make a lot, sir.
You
A
make-
lot of-
made a lot.
All are my friends, sir.
All are your friends.
Oh.
That's a very nice thing to have. Okay. Do they help you in various kind of situations?
Someone, sir. Not all.
Not all. Do you try to help everyone?
I try to help everyone. Also, I give in recreation. They said I'm a hilarious person.
Hilarious person.
They
Why?
all have said I need to go a comedian shows, not come here.
Okay. Yeah. I see. I see. Okay, maybe you should try. I'm not sure about that. Do you like comedy?
Also, I like it.
Okay. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I also watch movies.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I watch Hollywood movies. I like Marvel, DC, Sony,
Okay.
that kind of, and also Disney, also cartoon, watch animation.
Okay. What's your favorite movie so far?
So far, my favorite is like It's Better on No Way Home.
No Way Home.
No Way Home.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Victor. This is the end of your speaking test. You may go.